Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can play Asphalt 8 on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to play Asphalt 8 racing game on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Google Play Games, you're going to click onto this first link from play.google.com, and then you're going to click onto download on PC here and just download the software up. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and install it. And after you're done with the installation, open Google Play Games up. You'll need to log your Google account in. So log your account in, and once you're done with logging in, you're going to click onto this Explore button here. Search for Asphalt 8. Here it is. Click it, and then just go ahead and click on Install, and then it will start downloading on our computer. The speed of the download depends on how fast your internet is, so just wait for it to complete downloading. And once it's done downloading, it will start installing. After it's done installing, just click play on here. And here it is. As you can see, Asphalt 8 is working on our computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.